The state budget, as you know, happens every year, and the state has some powers on taxations. We have given a representation. The main thing that Goa needs from tourism perspective in terms of infrastructure is a world-class convention center. Central government has come up in the budget with schemes wherein 50 destinations will be developed and infrastructure funding will be provided the state government gives land. So we once again request the government to come up with a proposal for a world-class convention center which will handle the fastest growing segment of weddings, MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions. So that is one of our demands. The other is we have seen that for high-end liquor and beer and wine, Goa is increasingly becoming a little more expensive than say metros like Delhi or Bombay, which have VAT at 10% on these items. We would request that the government look at bringing VAT on high-end liquor and soft alcohol like beers and wines to around 10%. It's presently 22.5. We have given that in our representation. And the third and last thing that you request the government is when they make allocations for international trade fairs and domestic trade fairs, the funds for that have to be released way in advance, at least 6 months, or the files have to be cleared so that bookings can be done earlier and meetings can be set up. Right now, the files are getting cleared quite late in the process, and as a result, it becomes a little haphazard to manage the trade shows.
Any suggestions from TTAG have went to government?
We have given this. From what I mentioned, it's been given in a representation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.